This is Tajamul Adil. Today I'm talking about iPhone 16 Pro's innovative camera button. I will uncover all the functionalities and hidden features this button offers, which can enhance your photography experience. Located conveniently on the side, its organic design allows for easy access, making photo taking seamless and innovative. The camera button on the iPhone 16 Pro is not just a physical feature, it's a gateway to capture moments swiftly. A simple press launches the camera app, while a long press captures a photo even from a lock screen, ensuring you never miss a moment. Beyond basic photography, the camera button supports a range of functions. You can easily explore all the features of the camera from the camera button and double click on each function to examine further in detail. And some functions are not available once you switch from photo mode to video, cinematic, or other camera modes. Even if you double tap on the features that can showing in the video mode, it won't work. The features that are highlighted are working properly. The dim color functions are not available. In the cinematic mode, we have only a couple of features available, as you can see in this video. At its core, the camera button offers quick photo capture. You can change the applications that you want to enable on the camera button. As you can see, I changed to code scanner and even to Instagram camera mode and so on. Also, you can change from a single click to a double click for opening the camera from the camera control button. For photography aesthetics, customizing the camera button settings can enhance your shooting capabilities. Lastly, I'm talking about how you can use camera app using a touch screen even if you don't like to use camera control button. As I explored, all the camera features are working from the touch screen, and you can see the demonstration in the video. The iPhone 16 Pro camera button is small but a mighty feature packed with potential. Whether you are a professional photographer or a casual snapshot lover, mastering this button can enhance your photography journey. If you are interested in unboxing iPhone 16 Pro video, then click on this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in this video.